Okay, well, welcome everybody. We're here at the Sensors Converge show in Santa Clara, California. And today we were explaining to the visitors to our booth the Frankenstein effect. You notice I got my friend Frank here. This is an example of what not to do when you're constructing a system. Frankenstein was comprised of body parts from cadavers and dead bodies um, to create a human being. But unfortunately, his creator didn't quite hit the nail on the head. He got the intent right. It was a creature that looked like a human, but he missed the specifications. In other words, the creature could barely walk and he couldn't talk. We use that as an analogy for integrating systems on a chip. So if you take a look at the typical sensor system that we're seeing all around the show here today, there's a sensor, there's a collection of analog integrated circuits, and they talk to a microprocessor. And so many of those applications have A to D converters, D to A converters, voltage references, charge pumps, muxes, whatever it might be. And those come from multiple different semiconductor companies who use multiple different fabrication lines to build those parts. When the average user goes to put all those together, they don't always play well. And that's the problem Frankenstein had. He had all the right parts, but they didn't interconnect properly. So what we want to do is we want to find a way to solve the problem that Frankenstein had. To do that, we take the separate independent chips that are being used in an application today, and we combine them all into a single ASIC device. And that is the essence of our being, to supply ASIC, analog ASIC devices for the masses.